Okay, so the first step that we're going to do today is going to help us achieve this look. Okay, and so again we're looking at pop art, and I'll show you the step-by-step way that we can achieve this. First thing we're going to need is our iPad, and we're going to need to go into our camera and take a selfie of ourselves. So we're going to take a picture of ourselves. So now that I have a picture of myself, I'm just going to use a sheet from my sketchbook, sheet of paper, and I'm going to use my iPad as a light table. Okay, so my step here is just to make sure the room is dark, place my sketchbook paper or my paper over the screen of the iPad. Now I have a piece of fabric, and so I'm going to put a piece of fabric on both corners, because what's going to happen is that image is going to move if I put the heat of my hand or fingers on my screen, even though there's that piece of paper there. If I have fabric, it doesn't move. Okay, so I can use my pencil and rest my wrist here to, what we're going to do is actually we're going to trace all of the very simple lines of our pictures that we've taken. So I might actually start up here with the hair, and notice I'm just holding it down in place, and I'm really just drawing the big shapes that stand out to me. So I see kind of a dark line there, and then I'm noticing, see a little bit of my ear, not too much, and then my chin. So I'm just tracing again all those simple lines that I see. Okay, so once I've traced all of my lines with pencil, then what I did was I removed my iPad, just put it to the side. I don't actually need it anymore. And I just took a Sharpie and went over all of my pencil lines that I had made in black Sharpie. So now, in order to achieve this look that I have here, it's called a Ben-Day dots, is I'm actually going to use a ruler and choose the color that I would like to fill in the specific spaces of, and put a dot every centimeter all the way across. And then when I pull my ruler down away from the line that I've just made of dots, I'm just going to put dots in between those. So this does get to be a little bit tedious, but it's definitely worth it. And once I've completed some of those areas where I've got my dots, I'm going to take other markers and choose where I want some more solid colors. And when we are filling in those areas of solid color, we just want to pay attention to our direction of the lines that we are making, that they're going with the direction, in this case, of the hair itself. So we're not going against the grain, so to speak. We're going to go with the shape that's there of the hair.